AI biking videos are blowing up right now. And the crazy part is, most of them are made with free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. Okay guys, once you log into your ChatGPT account, you're going to go to Explore GPTs on the left side. You're going to come up here and type in cycling generator. You're going to click on this one right here. Come down here, start the chat. Click start the generator at the top. Give it a few seconds for ChatGPT to do its thing. Okay, guys, so you're gonna go through this. It says here are your 10 cycling route concepts. You can choose, go through them and choose the one that you want. Also, guys, here below it tells you pick a number to generate your prompt. Type your own setting, but if you don't like this one, you can also choose your own. Okay, I'm going to choose the number 8 here. So I'm going to type it here below, and then I'm going to click the arrow button for it to generate. Guys, so ChatGPT has given us our image prompt here and also a video prompt below. So what we're going to do is click on this. Okay, guys, so next thing we want to do is go to Google, type in Flow AI, click on the first one here at the top. So I already have an account with Flow AI, but if you didn't, you can easily create one by linking your Google account to it, okay? So once that's done, go ahead and click on New Project here. So next thing you want to do is come here below and click on it, okay? Make sure it's set on image. The ratio is 9:16, and we're going to do one image. Make sure it says banana 2, okay? Then come over here, right click, and paste your prompt from ChatGPT and click the generate button, okay? So this is the image that Flo gave us. I do like it. So what I'm going to do is come back over here, click on the 3 dots, and I am going to download the image 2K, okay? Upscale. But drag that image down here below. So you see it right there. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on video and select frames. Make sure that it says 9:16 ratio. Okay. I'm going to copy my video prompt from ChatGPT. I'm going to paste my prompt below. Right click and hit the generate button again. Okay, guys. So Flow has completed our video. I'm going to come up here at the top and click on it. Okay, so Flow AI has followed my video prompt. The video does look realistic with the green trees, the water, and the cyclist moving on the road. I'm going to go to the right corner. I'm going to download my video. Scroll down to 720, guys, and it's just that simple, okay? So, guys, if you like more tutorials like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.